Alright guys, look what just came in the mail. The micro box from Quad Box. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh, tiny whoop frame and a battery. 250 milliamp high volt. I think this is a beta FPV frame. Alright. Ooh, Caddx camera, Firefly. 2.1 lens, NTSC, input up to 9 volts. 4.3 or 4:3 ratio. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if I've seen this before. It's a CMOS sensor. 1200 TV lines. Nice. Let's see what this looks like. Hey, that's pretty nice. 1200 TV lines in there. And a transmitter. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Alright. I think I'll put that in my, let's see, where is it? I have a busted. This little fella needs a camera and a new transmitter. That might be where that goes. Cool. What else we got? Sticker. Another sticker. $10 lunch bucks. Lunch bucks. Cute. All right. A bunch of lunch bucks. All right. Beta FPV, Flight 1. Hey, that's Schizo, right? Yeah, cool. Lunchbox. Wrapped RC. Alright. And Caddx. Tiny whoop props. Cool. Whole assortment to go with that. And some motors. 6x15. 19,500 gold motors. Cool. So I got almost the makings of a tiny whoop. The motors, the frame, the props, a battery. All I need now is a board, and then you could probably put this on there. That could be part of your whoop. The only thing you're missing is a flight controller. That's pretty cool. Nice. Not too bad.